Think you know New York City? Think again. Here are 50 crazy facts about the city that never sleeps. Let's begin. Fact number 1. New York City has over 8 million residents. Fact number 2. More than 800 languages are spoken in the city. Fact number 3. The New York City subway operates 24 hours a day. Fact number 4. The Empire State Building has 102 floors. Fact number 5. Wall Street is the financial heart of America. Fact number 6. New York has more than 1,700 parks. Fact number 7. New York City has over 13,000 yellow taxis. Fact number 8. Grand Central Terminal has 44 platforms. Fact number 9. New York City has over 26,000 restaurants. Fact number 10. Coney Island introduced the first modern hot dog stand. Fact number 11. The city has more than 500 art galleries. Fact number 12. Central Park has over 18,000 trees. Fact number 13. More films are shot in New York City than in any other US city. Fact number 14. Every New Year's Eve, the Times Square bell drop attracts millions of viewers worldwide. Fact number 15. New York City has over 100 museums. Fact number 16. New York City has over 6,000 high-rise buildings. Fact number 17. New York was once the capital of the United States. Fact number 19. More than 200 movies and TV shows are filmed in New York City every year. Fact number 20. The city's nickname is the Big Apple. Fact number 21. New York City was originally called New Amsterdam. Fact number 22. New York City has more than 2 million buildings. Fact number 23. More than 10,000 street vendors operate across New York City. Fact number 24. New York City has over 14 miles or 22 kilometers of beaches. Fact Fact number 25. The New York Stock Exchange is the world's largest stock exchange by market value. Fact number 26. Wall Street got its name from a wall built by Dutch settlers. Fact number 27. The famous Charging Bull statue weighs over 7,000 pounds. Fact number 28. Radio City Music Hall is called the showplace of the nation. Fact number 29. New York City has over 23,000 restaurants and food trucks. Fact number 30. New York bagels are famous because of the city's water. Fact number 31. The Ghostbusters headquarters is a real firehouse. Fact number 32. The New York Police Department is the largest police department in the US. Fact number 33. Roosevelt Island was once home to hospitals and asylums. Fact number 34. New York has over 1,000 playgrounds. Fact number 35. New York City has over 150,000 hotel rooms. Fact number 36. Times Square was once called Longacre Square. Fact number 37. Grand Central Terminal has a hidden tennis court. Fact number 38. The city has more than 1,000 public artworks. Fact number 39. The New York Botanical Garden has over 1 million plants. Fact number 40. The city's tap water comes from protected upstate reservoirs. Fact number 41. New York City has more millionaires than almost any other city. Fact number 42. New York City has inspired thousands of songs, books, and movies. Fact number 43. New York City truly lives up to its nickname, the city that never sleeps. Fact number 44. The city's economy is larger than that of many countries. Fact number 45. Governor's Island is close to cars. Fact number 46. The High Line was once an elevated railway. Fact number 47. Bryant Park becomes an ice skating rink every winter. Fact number 48. Washington Square Park's famous arch honors George Washington. Fact number 49. More than 1 million students attend New York City public schools. Fact number 50. The New York Public Library has over 50 million items. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more amazing USA facts. Thanks for watching.